When the rains fail, the rivers fall. When the rivers fall, the dams produce less power. When the dams produce less power, the lights go out. First in the cities, then in the rural clinics, then in the schools. This is the geography of that chain. We are over the highland watersheds that feed Ethiopia's main hydropower stations, Gilgil-Gibe Winin II, Tekeza, and Belis. These are the rivers that in a good year push 5,000 megawatts onto the national grid. In a drought year, that number falls. And unlike a coal or gas plant, you cannot ramp a dry river up by ordering more fuel. In 2021 and 2023, drought in the Ethiopian highlands cut hydropower output by an estimated 15 to 20% during the worst months. The blackouts that followed were not equally distributed. Households with backup generators, urban hospitals on priority circuits, and industrial parks with imported diesel kept lights on. Rural clinics and schools without backups did not. This is a fairness question with a hydrology layer underneath. We can map who has reliable electricity. We can map where the rains failed. We can show how the two correlate and where the policy response, load shedding rotations, priority lists, generator subsidies, protected some communities and not others. Trellison rates the methodology of every drought impact study we cover. The conclusions remain with the Ethiopian engineers, ministry officials, and independent academic researchers who do this work.